everyone, we're going to talk about fitness today, and more specifically we're going to be looking at heart rate and how we can measure heart rate and see how fit you are by measuring your recovery rate.
But how are you going to measure the fitness?
You can measure fitness in lots of different ways. You can look at resting heart rate, so the lower your resting heart rate, the stronger your heart is. But also, when you exercise, your heart rate will increase, and we can look at how quickly your heart rate returns to normal, and the quicker it returns to normal, the fitter you are. Right, what you can do first is you can both take your resting pulse rate, so find your pulse, either in your, okay.
For how many seconds?
We can do 30 seconds and then just double it.
Just tell us where to start.
Okay, ready? Got both of them? Go. Just give them a minute to work it out and double it, but normal average resting heart rate is 72 beats per minute. So
I'm not normal.
So what was yours?
48.
48.
I'm 68.
68.
Oh no, 48 times 2 then.
Yes.
So it's gonna be like 96.
96.
68.
68.
That's a lot.
Okay, so a lower than 72 resting heart rate shows that you are fitter, your heart is stronger, and therefore it doesn't have to beat as many times to get the blood around your body. So,
but isn't it that is about the recovery time? So when it goes back down quicker, that's going to be a fitter.
Well, there is another factor that you can take into account when looking at fitness.
Well, I just came back from a sport day. You know, sport is one of my favorite days. You know why? Because I can take my New Year resolution, be more active. So.
Listen, and it's in February as well this year.
Yeah,
so
I love a sport.
Don't have to wait till the British summer.
Right. So what type of activity you want us to do?
A little bit of jogging maybe,
just
to get your heart rate going. So when you exercise, obviously your heart rate will have to increase to get the blood around your body and supply the muscles. So if you just want to do a little bit of jogging, maybe not too much, and then come back and we'll look at your working heart rate, and then after a minute we'll then again look at your recovery rate.
Excellent.
And then we can see who is fitter, who's recovered quicker. So all they're going to do is they're going to jog together, they're going to run at the same speed. Say their working heart rate, so we'll see where they are with their working heart rate, and then we'll see how many beats per minute it recovers. Yeah, so if you want to take a 30-second heart rate. Right, okay, what you're going to do now is you're just going to...
108.
108. 118.
118.
Okay, so what we do now is we'll just time to keep the clock running.
1 minute.
Yeah, just time 1 minute, and then after that you can take your heart rate again and see where you are.
Pounding.
So in theory...
Could go again.
Yeah.
Show off.
Should be able to.
Yeah, of course, the PE teacher,
So
I'm a science teacher.
Yep, stronger your heart is, fitter you are, quicker you can recover. Yeah. Right, remember, when you do take it again, you need to give the number of the beats it's dropped. Okay? Because obviously you had different working heart rates. But if it drops by, say, 10 and 20, that's a...
Still 112.
So how many?
It's dropped by 6.
It's dropped by 6 beats per minute.
72.
So you've dropped, right?
What?
It's dropped by 34.
Yeah. Okay, so the fact that you've managed to get back to your normal resting state means that 1, the exercise didn't cause your body as much stress, and 2, your heart was probably a little bit stronger, can pump the blood around your body
I think
a
my
little
heart
bit better.
No, my heart is stronger, we can beat faster. Your one is too lazy now. It's tired now, that's why.
But imagine how much blood Joe's heart would be beating if it went at the same speed as yours.
It's true. They just put me in shame. So that's why I'm not a PE teacher. I'm not fit enough. Oh, by the way, how old are you?
35.
See, that's why.
How old are you?
I can't say it in front of the camera. I'm 40.
40.
Yeah, that's why. 5 years. When I was 35, my heart was beating at 20 per minute. That's how strong I was. Yeah. I was dead.
Miguel injury. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining me with you.
No worries.
A special thanks PE department, especially these 2 gentlemen. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. See you guys. Just one more.